One of the reasons why people from South Asia do not succeed in selling their product and services on the internet is because they lack these three things. The number one being communication skill. Followed by communication skill, they lack at basic copywriting skills. Now you might be wondering, where does this come from when you talk about communication skill? But hold on, I'll try to explain everything in detail. And last but not the least, it's your business development skill that would help you go places in life. Now, just take a moment and briefly go through all these three important skills. You may tend to disagree, but as someone who has been working on the internet and who has been self employed for over 2 decades, as top freelancer out of millions of competition on world's largest freelance marketplace called guru.com, as a freelancer who has been showcased on their homepage alongside my country flag, it takes a lot of courage to understand what exactly is needed if you want to ace at internet business. Let's just begin with communication skills. Somebody asked Warren Buffett, one of the most profound investors, fourth richest man on planet Earth, what is that one advice you would like to give to younger people? And Warren Buffett replied, if there's one advice I would like to give to younger people, that would be to work on their communication skills, written as well as oral communication. Now, when you talk about communication skills, of course, you're talking about being able to convey your point of view across precisely, efficiently, and most importantly, concisely. That's what good communication skills is. That you are able to summarize what you want to convey across and you are able to do it efficiently. Of course, English is an international business language, so you cannot succeed on internet if you do not know how to write or speak basic English. You've got to work hard on improving your communication skill. After communication skill, by the way, if you want to learn communication skill, we are going to create a whole new playlist which would talk about how to master your spoken as well as written English and how to learn to convey your point of view across concisely and precisely and most importantly, efficiently. After communication skill, in comes the importance of copywriting. Now, copywriting predominantly weighs in very heavily if you want to sell on the internet. Copywriting means it's starting with introducing your product or service and then convincing client about its benefit. And when I say convincing your potential clients or customers about the benefit of your product and service, I refer to the importance of flipping the features into benefits. So once you are flipping the features and once you are telling your potential customer what is in it for them, that probably gives them a better insight about your product and they would be able to make a decision. Copywriting also means giving an offer, hard to refuse. Copywriting also means talking about scarcity. You would have seen a lot of ads that talk about a limited time offer or a limited stock for that matter. That's how you create scarcity. Copywriting also means offering a money back guarantee. It's an attempt to build your reputation and inculcate the confidence in your potential customer that if they do not like your product and service, they can always come back at you and ask for refund without a single question asked. No strings attached. That's what effective copywriting is. And the last but not the least, the closing. People often take closing as closing a matter or perhaps letting it go. But closing means you should be able to close down on sales, make a sale. And that happens if you follow the previous steps of copywriting. So, as a freelancer, or as a blogger, or perhaps as a YouTuber, or you got digital products to sell, or you want to establish an e-commerce business, if you are good at copywriting, you are giving yourself a fair chance of excelling at the top level. So we started with communication skills, we moved down to the importance of learning copywriting, and last we get down to the importance of business development skills. Now, business development skills, it means that you should be able to compromise when a situation demands. You should be able to convince your client, retain them in a short as well as in a long run, so that they keep coming back at you for more and more business. Look, on internet, if you are into service industry, as a service provider, you cannot make sales every single day. You cannot find new customers every single day. So there lies the importance of client retention. If you are able to satisfy one client to the point that they like your pricing, they like your communication skills, they like your services, they should come back at you for more business. And this would let you scale up your price in the long run as well, because you have built your brand reputation, you have won the confidence of your customer. So communication skill followed by good copywriting, and then of course business development skill. You need to learn when to excel at a good pace and where to hold back when it comes to pricing, or perhaps satisfying your customer. This is an art everybody needs to learn. It's a 3-tier recipe. If you learn, you are giving yourself a fair chance of exceeding at the highest level, and you'll be able to establish your footprint as an internet worker, and you'll be able to make money online. Now, the good news is all of these skills will be taught on my channel Being Guru 2.0 in English inside different playlists that would not only let you learn, but by giving you the exercises, the hands-on exercises, you probably get in a chance of at least giving it a try and perhaps polishing it as you practice more and more. If this video excites you, if that's something you are looking forward to, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I look forward to conducting all the training videos inside different playlists. Making money on the internet has never been easier. And most importantly, amid COVID-19 pandemic and with 2021 just around the corner, the demand of internet users and internet related businesses has increased a lot. Be it any skill, the demand has actually increased. You talk about e-commerce, you talk about YouTube, you talk about freelancing, and the list goes on and on. What are you waiting for? Make 2021 all your own.